Yo, starting off with Earn by Time. Current rate, we are at $17 an hour, and we got the first order. This is going to be for Seize the Bagel, going 6 miles.
Alrighty.
Thank you. Oh, they actually tipped. Total ended up being $7 and change for that one, which isn't that bad. I mean, the distance wasn't amazing, but it didn't take like any time, so I'll take it. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Black Rock Coffee, going just under 4 miles.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Ooh, that one was terrible. Total ended up being $4. I guess that's just what happens when you complete orders too quickly. Got the next order right away though. This is gonna be for Muchas Gracias. I believe it said it was going like 7 miles. This one should be better than the last one. Almost guaranteed. Just based off the mileage alone, it's gonna take a lot longer. Hello.
Hi.
Got a pickup for Brad.
Yes. Oh, camera.
Yeah. Thank you. There you are.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day. Thank you. Oh, okay. Let's be grateful. Let's be grateful. We got a tip. That's all that matters. It was a multi-million-dollar house, but we got a tip. Total ended up being $8. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Taco Bell, going 7.5 miles. They're giving me an add-on going an extra 3 miles. Might as well.
This is Rory. The other one they're working on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day.
You too. I'm pretty positive this is going to an apartment complex downtown, and I don't have a door code or an apartment number, so that's going to be a fun puzzle to figure out.
Order for Alan?
Yes. Okay. There you are.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, never mind. I thought I was going a little bit further down to the apartment complex. I think that was like a hotel valet instead. Total ended up being $19 for those two. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Donut Nook, going 6.5 miles.
That's a problem. Okay.
Okay, we got it. I guess we're gonna have to give it to him. Here, we're again.
Somebody else already took it, Jason, earlier. That's why we're a little on the side here.
Was it the same order?
Took that thing an hour ago.
It was scheduled, but somebody came and took it, so.
It's not. Yeah, I don't understand. All right. Here you go. Are you gonna check and see if Jason received his order?
No.
Oh.
It just tells me to pick it up.
All right, there you go, buddy.
This?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Apparently someone already picked up this order an hour ago, but luckily they remade it, or they had it ready for me, just in case. I don't know. I'm just gonna do my part and deliver it. I don't know what happened. Horses upstairs. Total ended up being $7 and change. Next order up, we've got a Black Rock Coffee. This one's going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one ended up being $7 even. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Chick-fil-A, going 6 miles.
Like 7 bucks for food, but it's a pretty simple order. Just getting it out.
Okay. Don't know if you could hear that, but apparently I'm number 7 on the screen, so this order is gonna take like an hour from start to finish. Thank you. Only 17 minutes after the DoorDash estimated pickup time. Of course, it's upstairs. Total ended up being $10 for that. Pretty garbage. Next up, we've got a stack. We've got Krispy Kreme and Black Rock Coffee. I believe it said it's going a total of like 7 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hand it to customer, huh? My favorite.
I would have got up and met you, but
You're
I
all
don't
good.
have the energy to after you.
No problem. Have a good day. Total ended up being $17 for that one. Next order just came in. This is for a place called Don Pedro. This one is going to be going 7 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total ended up being $9 and change for that one. Not too bad, not too bad. Next order up, we've got a Burger King going 5 miles.
Here for a pickup, right?
Yes, for Tony.
I got you right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now imagine if every pickup was that quick and easy. Total ended up being just under $7 for that one. And let's go home. Current time is 11:04. Total, we are at 98. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.